Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 4. Name of the chapter is factors and multiples and it is our revision lecture 1. Today's subtopics are introduction to factors and multiples, various types of numbers, prime factorization and divisibility test. These topics we are going to cover. These all topics are covered in exercise 4A and 4B. Let's start with our first topic, factor. Factor is a number that leaves no remainder behind after it divides the specific number. जब किसी specific number को given number से divide करते हैं और वो पूरा divide हो जाता है तो given number उस specific number का factor कहलाता है. Like 18 when we are dividing with 3. 3 6 are 18. So 3 is the factor of 18. Multiple. Multiple is a number we get by multiplying a given number by another. When we multiply a given number by another, we will get multiple. Like 2 into 4, 8. So 8 is a multiple of 2 and 4. 8 is a multiple of 2 and 4. See this filling the blanks. Dash is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. What is the factor of every number? 1. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is the only number which has exactly one factor. 1 ही एक ऐसा number है जिसका exactly एक ही factor है. So it is a dash number. It is a unique number. Next is answer these. It can be in the form of fill up also, or it can be in the form of like this, answer these or tick the correct option. It can come in any way. Which number is neither prime nor composite? So these questions we will understand. First we will understand what are the prime and composite numbers. Let's study about the various types of numbers. In this we will learn the definitions of numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, twin prime numbers. After that we will do those questions, right? So first is even number. A number having digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place is called an even number. Like 24, its ones place is containing 4. So it is an even number. Because if we are getting 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place, then number is known as even number. 968. At ones place there is 8. So the number is even number. Odd number. A number having digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at ones place is called an odd number. For example, 101, 279. See here ones place is containing 1. So it is an odd number. Here ones place is containing 9. So it is also an odd number. These can come in the form of definition also. Define even number, define odd number, or it can be an example. 248 is a dash number. In bracket it may be even, oblique, odd. At that time you have to tell the correct answer. Right? Prime numbers. Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. जिस नंबर के केवल 2 ही फैक्टर होते हैं, 1 और वो नंबर खुद, these are known as prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, etc. These are the prime numbers. We can check any number is it prime or not by dividing the number by 2, 3, 5 and 7. These 4 digits can tell us is the number prime or not. If the number is completely divisible, then it is a. If the number is completely divisible by 2, it means that number is not the prime number. How? Suppose the number is 11. 11 is divisible by 1 and 11 only. And now suppose the number is 12. 12 is divisible by 1. 12 is divisible by 2 also. 12 is divisible by 3 also. 12 is divisible by 12 also. So 12 के factors 2 से ज़्यादा होगा. So 12 is a 12 is not a prime number. Then what is this 12? 12 is known as a composite number. Let's see what is composite number. Okay, composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. जिस नंबर के 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर होते हैं वो कंपोजिट नंबर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4, 6, 8, 10 एक्सेट्रा आर कंपोजिट नंबर्स. यू कैन चेक द नंबर लाइक 4. आपको पता लगाना है कि 4 प्राइम है या कंपोजिट. 4 इज डिविजिबल बाय 1. 4 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. 4 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 ऑल्सो. सो 2 के अलावा फैक्टर मिल गए, सो इट इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर. गॉट इट? नाउ लेट्स डू दीज क्वेश्चंस. Which number is neither prime nor composite? 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is a unique number. What is the smallest composite number? Smallest composite number is 4 because 1 is unique, 2 and 3 are prime. Next is 4, which is a composite number. We have done. What is the smallest odd prime number? Smallest odd prime number is 3. Smallest prime number is 2, but it is even. And if we are asking about odd prime, then it is 3. Smallest odd prime is 3. MCQ question is given in your book. Which of the following is a composite number? 2 prime number, 1 unique number, 3 prime number. So our answer will be 4. 4 is a composite number. Understood? Now note down these things. Every number has a fixed number of factors. किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर फिक्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 9. 9 has factors 1, 3 and 9. Multiples of the given number are unlimited. Multiples are unlimited. Factors are limited. Multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 10s are 5 11s are 5 100s are 5 200s are. So these are unlimited. Okay. So these can come in the form of fill-up. Every number has a fixed number of dash, fixed number of factors. Multiples of the given number are dash, unlimited. Right? ये concept है जिनको आपको समझना है. Now our next definition is co-prime numbers. Two numbers which do not have a common factor other than 1. Or 2 numbers whose HCF is 1 are called co-prime numbers. ऐसे 2 नंबर जिनका हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है, ये 1 के अलावा कोई और कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. These are known as co-prime numbers. Prime to each other. Like 7 and 10. These are co-prime numbers. 7 और 10 में only 1 ही कॉमन फैक्टर है, that is 1. Right? क्योंकि 7 की फैक्टर है 1 and 7. 10 की फैक्टर है 1, 2, 5 and 10. So common is 1 only. Next definition is twin prime numbers. 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. ऐसे 2 prime numbers जिनका difference 2 है, these are known as twin prime numbers. For example 3 and 5. 5 and 3 both are prime. And 5 minus 3, 2. So it is the pair of twin prime numbers. 17 and 19, it is a pair of twin prime numbers. Got it? Now note down these things. Any 2 even numbers which differ from one another by 2 are called consecutive even numbers. Consecutive means लगातार. But consecutive even जिनका difference differ from one another by 2, जिनका difference 2 का हो, any वो कहलाते हैं consecutive even numbers. Next is any 2 odd numbers which differ from one another by 2 are called consecutive odd numbers. अगर odd numbers का difference 2 है, consecutive odd numbers. We have done this. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the lowest and the only even prime number. सिर्फ 2 ही एक ऐसा prime number है जो even है और lowest. 9 is the lowest odd composite number. Even composite is 4 and odd composite is, lowest odd composite is 9. Now next is prime factor. The factor of a given number is called prime factor if it is a prime number. किसी भी नंबर का फैक्टर अगर प्राइम है, so this is known as prime factor. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फैक्टर ऑफ 12 के फैक्टर्स हैं 1, 2, जिनसे ये पूरा डिवाइड हो जाए. फैक्टर मीन्स एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाए, लिविंग नो रिमाइंडर. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 आर 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here, see this. 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. 2 and 3. 4, 6 and 12 are composite. And 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Right? Factor तो सारे हैं, but prime factors 2 and 3 हैं. Now next is prime factorization. Listen this carefully. Questions are based on this also. Prime factorization is finding all the prime numbers which multiply to make the original number. किसी भी नंबर के सारे प्राइम नंबर्स निकालना जिनको जब हम आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें वापस ओरिजिनल नंबर मिल जाता है, इज नोन एज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. मेथड टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन नंबर आर फैक्टर ट्री मेथड एंड डिवीजन मेथड. इस डेफिनेशन को हम समझेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्वेश्चन. See the question, you can understand the definition of prime factorization carefully. Factorize the following number by factor tree method and division method. 370, A part is given. 370, this is factor tree method. Factor tree means factors का tree बनाना. 370 is even number, it is divisible by 2. So when you divide 370 by 2, you will get 185. So the factors will become 2 and 185. 2 is a prime factor, so we will leave it. 185 is again divisible by 5. When we divide 185 with 5, we will get 37. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. So 185 has factors 5 and 37. So this is the factor tree. एक नंबर को ब्रेक करके पहले दो फैक्टर्स निकाले, फिर नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर को छोड़ दिया, नेक्स्ट को अगेन ब्रेक किया. नाउ सी दीज बोथ आर नाउ प्राइम नंबर्स. सो नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इज फिनिश्ड. राइट? सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 370 इज 2 into 5 into 37. नाउ सी 2 into 5 into 7, these are the prime factors. और इन नंबर को जब हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें ओरिजिनल नंबर मिल गया. दिस वाज गिवन इन आवर डेफिनेशन. गॉट इट? नाउ हियर इट इज डिवीजन मेथड. डिवाइड करना. 370 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, यू विल गेट 185. 185, one's place is containing 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, then 5 7s are 35. 37 is prime number. 37 1 से डिवाइड होगा या 37 से, so we will divide it. 37 1s are 37. So prime factorization of 372 into 5 into 37. ये सेंटेंस लिखना बेटा आप लोग भूल जाते हो. Don't forget this. This is prime factorization. It is important to write down. Okay. So these are the methods: prime factor tree method, division method. Now let's do a next part. B part 440. Factor tree method and division method we have to solve this by factor tree method and by division method. Right? So first of all, we will take 440. This is given to us. 440 is divisible by 2. 440 को आप जब 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get 220. So 440 has the factors 2 into 220. 2 is prime number और फैक्टराइज नहीं हो सकता है, but 220 is a even number, again divisible by 2. So we will divide 220 with 2. We will get 110. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0. 110 is again divisible by 2. So we will get 2 into 55. 55, one's place is containing 5. Divisibility rule says that if one's place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule we will revise in this lecture again. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So factors are 5 and 11. Right? Now these both are prime numbers. No more factorization is possible. अब और उसका ब्रेक नहीं हो सकता और टुकड़े नहीं बन सकते. So the process will stop here. So prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. Got it? Now here division method. 440 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. 220 again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0. 110 is again divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. 55 divisible by 5. 1 2 से 3 से 4 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 11 is a prime number, 11 1s are 11. So prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. In both the methods you will get same prime factorization. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इसमें कुछ हो रहा है कि इसमें कुछ हो रहा है. Methods are different but prime factorization is same because prime factors are same. Now there are some questions which are given in your exercise 4A. Write all consecutive even numbers between 51 and 71. Consecutive even numbers having difference of 2. So 51 even numbers are there. So 51 is odd. So next is 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70. So these are consecutive even numbers. Difference is 2 between this. 54 minus 52, 2. 56 minus 54, 2. Got it? Next is write first 4 multiples of 12. 12 के first 4 multiples. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. Next question is given in your book. We will revise this also. Write the multiples of 13 which lie between 50 and 100. 13 के वो मल्टीपल लिखने हैं जो 50 और 100 के बीच में आते हैं. You know the table of 13. 13 1s are 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 6s are we have written here. Now 50 to 100. Check. 52, 65, 78, 91. Next is more than 100. So the answer is 52, 65, 78, 91. These are the multiples which lie between 50 and 100. Next question is write all odd numbers between 30 and 40. 30 और 40 के बीच के सारे odd number लिखने हैं. Odd numbers you know having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at one's place. So odd numbers are 31, 33, 35, 37 and 39. Write all prime numbers between 60 and 80. Prime numbers. The numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. 60 is a composite number between 60 and 80. 61 is a prime number. 62 2 से divide होगा, 1 से होगा, खुद से होगा. So it is not prime. Like this you can check. If you have any doubt for any number, you can check it by dividing with 2, 3, 5 and 7 only. Right? So prime numbers are which lie between 60 and 80, 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. ये सारे नंबर ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ अपने आप से डिवाइड होते हैं या 1 से होते हैं. आपको कोई भी ऐसा नंबर मिलता है जो 1 से अपने आप से डिवाइड होने के बाद 2 से और डिवाइड हो रहा है या 3 से हो रहा है या 5 से या 7 से, then that number is composite. This question is given in your worksheet based on 4th A exercise. Write down the factors of 24. 24 के factors लिखने हैं. 24 किस किस से divide होता है? What is the method of finding out the factors here? 24 divisible by 1. 1 into 24. When we divide 24 with 2, 2 12s are 24. So 2 into 12. When we will divide it with 3, 3 जब पूरा डिवाइड होगा तो फैक्टर बनेगा. 3 8s are 24. 4 6s are 24. 5 से डिवाइड नहीं होता 24 completely. रिमाइंडर रह जाता है. So 5 is not the factor. 6 4s are 24. 6 से डिवाइड होता है but we have already taken 6. 4 6 are 6 4s are. So we will not repeat. Same pair आ गया तो हम repeat नहीं करेंगे. The process will stop here. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Start writing from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Next question is express as the product of prime factors. Prime factors के product की form में लिखिए. Prime factors निकालने हैं. 27. 27 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. 3 9s are 27. 9 is again divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. Right? Now कहाँ तक करना है? जब तक 1 नहीं आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन वाज एक्सप्रेस एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स मीन्स हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालनी थी इसकी. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Right? Now we will revise divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. कोई भी नंबर 2 से डिवाइड कब होगा? जब उसके वंस प्लेस पे या 0 हो या मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 होगा. राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 346, 1880. Ones place is containing 6, so it is divisible by 2. Ones place is containing 8, so it is divisible by 2. Because 8 is multiple of 2, 6 is multiple of 2. Right? If we are getting 340, ones place is containing 0, then 340 is also divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is a multiple of 3. जितने भी डिजिट है नंबर में अगर उन सबको टोटल करते हैं एंड इफ वी आर गेटिंग द नंबर विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 देन द गिवन न्यूमरल विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द एग्जांपल 234. 234 है डिजिट्स 2 3 4. एट दिस 2 3 4 सम इज 9. 9 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो 234 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 ओनली. It is divisible by 3. Not only, it is divisible by 2 also. But it is, the question is it divisible by 3? Yes. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Digits का again total करना है हमें. And if the total is divisible by 9, then number is divisible by 9 only. Say 3879. Digits are 3, 8, 7, 9. When we are adding these 3, 8, 7, 9, we will get 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So 3879 is divisible by 9. Next rule is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. 6. 2 3s are 6. अगर नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होता है 3 से होता है तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा. से दिस एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन 15,102 is divisible by 6. Check how. Ones place is containing 2, so this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check divisibility rule of 3. We will add the digits 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Total is 9. 9 is divisible by 3 or 9 is a multiple of 3. So the given number is divisible by 3 also. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2. Then 15,102 is divisible by 6 also. Divisibility by 5. Very simple rule. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place is either 0 or 5. Ones place check करना है. If it is 0 or if it is 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Like 725 is divisible by 5. Now we will do divisibility by 4 and divisibility by 8. So divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and ones place is divisible by 4. किसी भी नंबर को चेक करने के लिए क्या वो 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, हम वंस और टेंस प्लेस को ही चेक करेंगे ओनली. राइट? सी दिस एग्जांपल 8824. Digits at tens and ones place is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. So 8824 is also divisible by 4. सिंगल सिंगल नहीं चेक करना है कि 4 को चेक करो 2 को करो, नो 24 नंबर फॉर्म्ड बाय टेंस एंड वंस डिजिट. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Now we will check last 3 places, that is 100, tens and ones से मिल के कौन सा न्यूमरल बनेगा वो चेक करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से दिस एग्जाम्पल 99,168. सो 100 tens ones से बना 168. 168 is divisible by 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. So it is divisible. 168 is divisible by 8. So 99,168 is also divisible by 8. 4 के लिए लास्ट के 2 डिजिट चेक करने, 8 के लिए लास्ट के 3 डिजिट चेक करने. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल 3 सम करना है. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 9 सम करके देखना है डिजिट्स का. नेक्स्ट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 7. इसको ध्यान से समझना है. ओके. अ नंबर ऑफ 3 और मोर डिजिट्स इज डिविजिबल बाय 7 if the sum of the numbers formed by last 2 digits and twice of the number formed by remaining digits is divisible by 7. सबसे पहले तो हम इसका मीनिंग समझेंगे. It is saying that sum of the numbers formed by last 2 digit, लास्ट के 2 डिजिट में ऐड करना है बाकी रिमेनिंग मीन्स बचे हुए डिजिट का डबल, और अगर वो डिविजिबल बाय 7 है देन द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस एग्जाम्पल. 574 लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स हैं 74. 74 में प्लस करना है बाकी बचे हुए डिजिट्स का डबल, यानी कि बचा हुआ है हमारे पास 5, रिमेनिंग इज 5. डबल ऑफ 5 इज 10. 74 plus 10 is 84. 84 is divisible by 7. Yes. So 574 is also divisible by 7. Divisibility by 10. Very simple rule. A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in its ones place. For example, 840 ones place is containing 0. 400 ones place is containing 0. 60 ones place is containing 0. So these are divisible by 10. Divisibility rule by 11. कोई भी नंबर 11 से कब डिवाइड होगा? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and sum of the digits in the even places is a multiple of 11 or मीन्स गिवन न्यूमरल में हमें इवन प्लेसेस के डिजिट्स का टोटल करना है, ऑड प्लेसेस के डिजिट्स का टोटल करना है और फिर निकालना उनका डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस इफ इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 11 और द डिफरेंस इज 0, ओनली देन द गिवन नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 11. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. Examples I am explaining so that if you are getting any number in your question, in your exam, you can solve it easily. That's why with each and every rule I am taking the examples. So this example, it is given in your 4B exercise. This question is given there. 3663 is divisible by 11. We have to check this. Let's check. Sum of the digits in the even place is even place. 6 plus 3 is 9. Sum of the digits in the odd place is odd place. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Difference between the two sums, इन दोनों sums का difference निकालना. थर्ड step is this. 9 minus 9, 0. Rule says either it will be multiple of 11 or 0. So we are getting 0. Hence 3663 is divisible by 11. Right? Let's do the practice question. Is the number, this number is given to us, 8,23,456. We have to check this number, is it divisible by 12 or not? 12. 4 3s are 12. So we will check the divisibility rule of 4 and divisibility rule of 3 for the given number. Right? Divisibility rule of 4 says that we have to check the number formed by tens and ones digit, that is 56. 56 is divisible by 4. So 8,23,456 is also divisible by 4. 4 से तो हो गया. Now we will check for 3. 3 का divisibility rule है that we have to find out the sum of the digits. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 6, 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. 28 3 से divisible नहीं है, remainder बच जाएगा. So 8,23,456 is not divisible by 3. अब 4 के लिए तो रूल सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, 3 के लिए नहीं हो रहा. दोनों के लिए सेटिस्फाई होगा तभी हमारा आंसर यस होगा. नाउ आवर आंसर इज नो. हेंस 8,23,456 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 12. दोनों के लिए चेक करना बेटा, दोनों के लिए यस होगा तभी आपका आंसर यस में आएगा. सो दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इज द नंबर 4,605 divisible by 15? 15 के लिए चेक करना है. सो वी विल चेक 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 बनता है ना, तो वी विल चेक फॉर 3 and for 5. Rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5 says one's place should be either 5 or 0. Digit at one's place is 5. So 4,605 is divisible by 5. Now we will check for 3. Divisibility of 3 says that we have to do addition of the digits. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 4,605 is divisible by 3. अब ये नंबर हमारा 3 के लिए भी सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, 5 के लिए भी. So 4,605 is divisible by 15 also. Got it? In previous question 1 के लिए तो सेटिस्फाई हो रहा था पर अदर के लिए नहीं हो रहा था, बट इसमें दोनों के लिए हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आवर आंसर इज यस. यस, दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 15. So this type of question is given in your worksheet. It can come in the form of fill up. Write the smallest digit to make the number divisible by 5, by 3, by 6, by 4, by 8. So let's start our first part. We have to check this given digits and we have to fill the smallest digit so that this number should be divisible by 5. So divisibility rule of 5 says one's place should be either 0 or 5. But smallest is 0 only. So we will write down here 0. इधर कुछ भी नंबर है, no problem. One's place should be 0. Here also one's place should be 0. Only then these numerals will become divisible by 5. 21,640 is divisible by 5. 21,970 is divisible by 5. Now we have to check for 3. 3 का divisibility rule कहता है हमें ऐड करना है. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So the smallest we will take 0. 9 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Next is 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 तो 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता. अगर हम ऐड करते हैं 0, 16 प्लस 0 तो भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 16 प्लस 1, 17, वो भी 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 16 प्लस 2, 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So the smallest digit you will write down here 2. Clear? Next, divisibility rule by 6. For 6 we will check for 2 and for 3. 2 का divisibility rule तो यहाँ वैसे सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. सी one's place is containing 8, one's place is containing 2. Now we will check for 3. We will do addition. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 8, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So हमें यहाँ पे 1 लिखना है. Smallest is 1. Now check for this numeral. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. अगर 16 में हम ऐड करते हैं 0 तो 9 डिवाइड होगा 3 से. 1, 17 हो जाएगा, नॉट डिविजिबल. 2, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So we will write down here 2. You have to check the digits. Okay. Next, divisibility rule by 4. We have to check tens and ones place. 2 is written. If we are writing 0, then 20 is divisible by 4. Right? 1 is written. If we are writing 0, 10. 10 is not divisible by 4. If we are writing 1, 11 is not divisible by 4. Next smallest digit is 2. 12. 12 is divisible by 4. So we will write down here 2. Right? Divisibility rule of 8. We have to check 100, tens and ones place. See here, 16 is divisible by 8. So if we are writing 0, 0, 1, 6 is divisible by 8. Right? Now here 4 and 2 are making 42. 8 5s are 40. 2 will left. आप 2 के साथ वो डिजिट लिखेंगे जो 8 का मल्टीपल बना दे. If we are writing 4, 8 3s are 24. Right? If you are writing 1, 21, 8 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 2, 22, 8 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 3, 23, 8 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So here the smallest is 4 only. So we will take here 4. Got it? Practice करेंगे ना बेटा divisibility rules की, only then you will be able to solve. And but nothing is difficult. Now it's homework time. Your homework is do assignment 1 of chapter 4 in practice notebook. Assignment will be given on AdQuark website. Right? That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.